The first thought that everybody is having today is COVID, when will it go? The second thought, of course, is the petrol as well as the diesel prices. And the third, of course, with regard to the petrol as well as diesel, the next thing that people are thinking is whether to go for a fuel vehicle or go with electric vehicle. And today government has told that you will have to pay 8 times more to renew your RC card for vehicles which is more than 15-year old. So all these things leads us to a dilemma whether we have to buy a bike or not buy a bike. We have to have our own transport or use public transport, because there are a lot of cost involved in running your own vehicle, and there are a lot of additional costs in with regard to petrol prices, diesel prices, service cost, as well as interest and many more things. So this is what everybody would be thinking going forward, and today's market, of course, has kept people thinking what will happen with the markets tomorrow. The markets were down today. Sensex went down by almost 585 points, 1 points, and Nifty went down by 163.45 points. This is mainly because of the US bond yielding the highest returns from last 13 months. It is right now the highest one. Apart from this, the IT as well as the pharma stocks are the ones which are falling down, maybe because of the COVID second wave being in the news. These companies are feeling the heat. Apart from this, Kalyan Jewellers, the final day IPO closed today. It has got subscribed by 2.26 times, and the qualified institutional bidders have bid for 2.3 times. Thankfully, this particular IPO became more or less successful, because at least one time they had to get subscribed, and luckily they have got subscribed by 2.26 times. So every person who has applied for approximately whatever is the value, at least half of it would get allocated, is what I think. Apart from this, Suryodaya Small Finance Bank Day 2 has got subscribed by 79%, and Nazara Technologies again Day 2 has got subscribed by 8.58 times, and the retail portion of the same has got subscribed by almost 26 times. This has been a good thing. So this is what we feel that the IPO market is all about. And Ola has again invested 2,400 crores on electric vehicle manufacturing plant, which has a capacity of almost 10 million bikes, which they would be manufacturing by 2022. By the June probably they are planning to manufacture almost 50,000 plus bikes. So we just have to wait whether their bet on electric vehicles would be successful or no. Apart from this, the day's gainer is ITC, which went up by almost 3.35%, and the same is closed at around 217.65 rupees. The day's loser was HCL Technologies, which went down by 4.02%, and the same is closed around 947.75. Gold and silver both have gone up. Gold right now is trading at around 44,910, and the same is up by 70 rupees for every 10 gram. Silver right now trading at around 67,506, and the same is up by 279 rupees for every 1 kilo. US dollar again has gone down. Rupee has appreciated by 16 paise for every $1. So USD right now trading at around 74,145 for every $1. The technical charts don't show any strength, so we can hope the market to be bearish tomorrow as well. So it's time for us to start accumulating value stocks and see when the market would go up. And with this, we come to the end of today's market wrap up. Do like and subscribe the channel and share the videos amongst your friends, so that more people get to learn, and this can lead to the earning. And we also wait for your suggestions and opinions, so that we can improvise on a day-to-day basis. Thank you. Have a great day.